Hello, I'm Peter Williams.
And I'm Ken Hakenen. Welcome to 17 Mrytle Street, Bowral. This is a truly unique lifestyle property just moments from the town.
The owners have put thousands of hours work in both inside and outside of this property to make this a beautiful home. Come and have a look.
We really hope you've enjoyed what you've seen today.
Please come to our open homes or view this property by private inspection. Make this home your home.